Vybez Kartel, you know, youth. Me I tell you, you know, youth. Me I tell you, you know, youth. Stop be the biggest contributor to the negatives in our country, you know, youth. Stop it, you know, youth, because God never rise you up to come do this to Jamaica people, you know. And the only reason why I say you deserve to come a road when me look and see your family and see your mother and see how everyone really and truly love you as a family member and really want you. And I saw you want to come show. I saw you want to come do it, youth. I saw you want to come show back that they love to eat.
What's up, beautiful people? Queen Ifrica has come out and called several names, one of them being a DJ Palmer, that is Vybez Kartel. She is accusing Vybez Kartel of several serious allegations. That is one of them being an antichrist working for the devil. And also she has called other names where some of the people being the Prime Minister, His Highness Andrew Holness, among others. This is the video of Queen Ifrica. She did this in a TikTok platform. She went live and spoke about all this. She spoke about Vybez Kartel coming out of jail and promoting the violence, gangs, and also she also talked about the fact that, you know, Vybez Kartel has tattooed "Love God" in part of his face, and Queen Ifrica was saying, what kind of God is that? A lot of things. Also, she mentioned the Vybez Kartel concert. You know, the concert is supposed to happen on 31st December. There are some people that are out there that some are saying that there is a lot of games in the numbers. They're saying that he was released on 13th, the event is on 31st. There are people that are giving out the numbers and the dangers and the relationship between the numbers and the New World Order. Also, she has mentioned that Jamaica is with Kamala Harris. You know, Kamala Harris, she's a Jamaican, and she has Jamaican blood in her, and she's running for the president. So she was saying that the new face of the New World Order is Jamaica. I want you to listen to this video and give out your comment. This is the video for Queen Ifrica.
Vybez Kartel or whatever version of him that we want to send out from back behind the bars. Me I talk to the version of Vybez Kartel we then send out from behind the bars. My youth, you see, if you're not humble in front of the Almighty Creator and do it right now, me I talk the true and living Almighty Creator. Where you pray to fi make you, fi beg him fi not make you dead, and beg him fi make you come a road, and beg him, and no other God where you bow to can give you the freedom where you pray for in a privacy, my youth. And me see say from your touchy ground, a right which part you going from, a this so you pick up back from, sir. A right which part you going, you come out and come pick up back from. And I ignore the Almighty Creator who will give you favor. You come out and bat for the devil out the gate, you out of that, me see you do. And have the Almighty people, because them under trance, under KFC, under Jerry and Nephew Rum, and underneath all of the crosses, we will not have the Jamaica populace under, so that no kingdom can establish, no dark kingdom. But me I tell you know, me I tell you again, DJ. You see, instead of you have your little loyal brethren, Sean Storm. Let me say this to you, Sean Storm, before me go no further. You look like a little youth where fear God for true. Like somewhere deep inside of you there, you look like little God in you for true. Me want to tell you, say, go and cap, you see that play piano for your grandmother, something they go and do that youth. You see that something that when me see you not try, like you not try set up one little war, if you say, all who in a Gaza we never support Cartel when he did in there. Now that you no come out them for dead, that now go work. I know that the unity that we want in a Jamaica. So all of the words them will not true. If you come continue that divide there, and if you come continue to divide the country and further split the country apart, me I beg you no, please stop being pawns for the system and come gather up on yourselves together, Vybez Kartel, you have the perfect opportunity for unite dancehall, unite all of the little youth them under dancehall when I do things right. You, sir, after you get better, work on your health, have the opportunity for unite Jamaica. Again, when me see the I do, nah go work, it nah go work. The first thing you come out, you have your big old bottle of alcohol in your hand, you promote tobacco. Do you know the statistics of tobacco intake here or there on the island, my bright brethren, my beautifully bright artists? Do you know the statistics of what tobacco is doing to young people in Jamaica as we speak? You cannot come out of prison after 13 years. I come tell youths, say a tobacco them fi continue smoke and continue drink alcoholism. When you look and see we are going with the youth them, where Andrew Holness do a press conference and say him a go kill out the whole of them. You know hear that when say him a go kill out the Gaza nation. And that you come a road for? If you come make the Gaza nation fly up out of them like all them and dead out? Or you come a road if you come continue the conversation where say not no they are jail and badness no pay. I sat Buchanan, me nah get up off of your neck. I sat Buchanan, you're not with the gods that we are with. I sat Buchanan, you're not a child of the Almighty Creator. And if you are, you're working directly for the devil and you're not hiding it. See? You're not hiding it. You're showing us that you're working for the devil. See? This is what you guys want to give to Jamaica as a legacy. If you say, who no destroy the country, and that you no want to go down in a history, if you say, who no destroy Jamaica and hand over Jamaica to the devil, and that you no want to go down in a history, if be the ones who handed over our country and our culture to the devil, and that you no want to go down in a history as. Again, Vybez Kartel, you know which part me talk to you from in a youth. You see me? You know which part me talk to you from, you know. And me I tell you, say, no youth. You see, if you not breaks up, my lord. You see, if you not breaks up and come at the Almighty foot in a real life, I mean, I tell you about go baptize and going in a church. Me I talk about humble to the Almighty Creator, the true and living God of all gods. Humble to the source there to save yourself, your family, and the people you call fans, youth. That is the only method moving forward that will save your surroundings and the surroundings of your country and the world by extension. All the people of goodness in the country, why are you hiding? Why are you so afraid to stand up and speak on godliness without favor, without fear? Even if your hands dirty up a little bit, you can go wash it. The Almighty will forgive you. The Almighty will forgive you of your sins if you go in front of the Almighty sincerely and ask for the right type of forgiveness. So let me say this, because as me say, through my life under threat, and I be a death threat me under, because them say they have to kill me. See? Me just say all what me can say, because me not take nothing for granted in other world, yeah. And because somehow we did have to talk one particular truth, we never have no friend. See? Me never mind being one of those. You see the Jamaicans them were scattered about all over the world. This more important to Uno than even the Jamaicans them were dep on the rock of Jamaica right now. Me I tell the eye them this. All of the dark forces that want to rule the world, they have to rule the world through Jamaica. They have to rule the world through that is why Kamala Harris have Jamaican blood in her heart. Because she will be the face of the new world order when them bump off Trump and let her in. Vybez Kartel. Do not be the Antichrist, my love. Be a son of the Most High. That will look better on you. Seeing? Don't make them turn you on no Antichrist. Don't make them turn you against the true and living Almighty Creator of all things, who are going to fix your health and make you better. Don't give no more to the devil, youth. Unite the ground, my lord. Unite dancehall. Unite Jamaica. Be one of the biggest person on that team, the youth. And then you are going to see the glory of the Most High shine upon your youth. But if them ever use you, fi do the last hoorah pan Jamaican people, all in your grave, you go a ball youth. Me I tell you that with no water in my mouth. With no water in my mouth, me I tell you that. Take heed. And when me say take heed, me no mean go join church. Me I mean stop play with God, youth. Stop play with the Creator. Stop play with the Creator. And make we do the right thing now. Make we bring we culture together. Make we bring we country together. We the people are depend upon. And we the artists them and the influences them. And we cannot do it alone. All of us have to come together and do it collectively in front of the people and show the people say, yeah, and them we love and another system we love. The whole that we need to come round that table here right now before the system finally and fully take over Jamaica. And the new world where them are inch round start. Because if Jamaica people, if the civil unrest not start at Jamaica, the new world, the World War III can't start. And Satan need World War III blood. So that's why you see Jamaica look so tense now. Yeah, you say Cartel and Leng a war because them a try keep Cartel showing at December and keep stinging on. Wanna do build up emotional tension in the people them. That's by the time December come a be a chaos there. Jamaica, it now go blood clot work. We don't leave Jamaica alone now. We don't leave Jamaica alone now. Else me, Queen Ifrica, I go call a press conference and lay out everything on the table and then you no kill me when me done. But the people must know the truth as to why Jamaica look how it look. And why it about to look even worse. If the people them name when me a call, now get up out of Satan chair and come back for God for true. Because me I call them name because me sure know if you're fat, they no want to do it. The whole of them like the goodies where them a get from Satan. They no want to let it go. And me I tell you know, Jamaican people who are here, you know. You see, if you don't stop near me food, them will not, them a give you know. And I drink it drinks them where them a give you know. And a robot is a robot nice for describe what not gonna be. 3.8 million, me no know where to describe me country as. And that I go come up. Seeing? A solution is there. A solution is there. And them no want use the solution where they there. A order out of chaos. So when time them build up it ground and boil up it ground into the right type of anger that civil unrest start in a Jamaica. Then now, Andrew army where him create can kill out you. Andrew tell you know everything where Andrew Hollis are gonna do him tell you know. The man call a press conference and say him I go wipe out every gang out of Jamaica. So you didn't know say Jamaica have all these gang all these time and you couldn't come up with no initiative other than because you're fed up and vexed and then listen to you. You're gonna just kill out you all of them. And say because I was going down a Cherry Lane. No, man, I know that to not do, man. I know that I said to not set the ground for the devil, man. I said to not set the ground because the two government, them, Andrew Holness and the brother there, Mark, them can come together and find a better crime plan than to kill out Jamaica people picking them. Because uno turn them in the monster them where them be. Uno big God, uno just let out of jail the other day. Vybez Kartel, one of them biggest teacher, we teach them violence. And how to kill them one another. That's why him supposed to combat the hardest right now. If he say him really love the Gaza nation. And him really love the love where the fans them are give him. Why you not use it back for God youth? And shame me devil? Why you not afraid of God so? Why you not afraid of the Almighty so? But every time you know head a hurt, you know foot a hurt, you know in a private, I said, do God, please, don't make me dead, please, me I beg you. You come out here, tattoo God in your forehead. You're rich God, which God? The true and living God? Yeah, tattoo in your forehead, or the demon where you praise as God? Which one of them? You know I go really sit down and give all our ancestors them blood, sweat and tears. You know I go sit down and give to the devil, Jamaican people. Uno I go be spank with many strides. Uno I go, me say the judgment we are going to take Jamaica. None of we now can help uno because we did everything where God say we do, we do. We talk, me talk so till me don't know what fi say no more. See? And if me coulda did a do, me woulda do. But me a call pan Buju them, me a call pan Spraga them, me a call pan the whole of them say make we stand up together and show the people them say we are defend them. In the private, I be a mad them a call me. And say me ignorant. Me no want talk everything, you know. Me no want talk everything, you know, cause I know everything fi talk, so, you know. But me a give out me warning, you know. Me say, Joe Bogdanovich, leave with culture alone, you know, Joe. Leave with culture alone, Joe. Leave with culture alone, my lord. You come to Jamaica and you say, oh, I love the country and I love the culture. Even me, still check for you as a brethren and deal with you that way when me see you. But Mr. Joe Bogdanovich, me don't like the direction where you put the music in, you know, where the whole clash thing with Sting there and the whole, because of the people, them emotions, you know, play upon. You know, stop it. Vybez Kartel can keep a show tomorrow and the whole of him fans them come on foot. You know, stop it. You know, stop do this to Jamaica. Create divide and rule out of our culture. We don't want the gap of divide and rule if we're gonna pull, we are try pull back things together to the one Jamaica where we did know. One Jamaica where music was with teacher. You know, take with music and you turn it in a devil tool. You don't think so you can shut down the truth, boy? You don't think so you could come shut down the whole away? You don't kill out the whole away profits them in a music? You don't disrespect them? You don't under promote them? You don't big them up? All of the little youth them we are coming a consciousness in a music? You don't make them feel like the worst thing them a do? The youth them don't know where to turn. You don't give them no stage. You don't give them no platform. You don't play them music. You like I see all your big the whole of the disc jockey them will sit down on radio over the years and spread deluge in the people them mind in a music. And uno still sit down around the throne and come try hand over Jamaica people to a devil. And uno go pay dearly the whole of uno go play dearly for. And now that uno realize say online uno fi move go. Uno have uno legions them now pan online. Uno set up uno legions pan online and I call them influencers. Because you don't know of the vulnerability of Jamaican people say education was not the first go-to where Jamaica people did get exposed to. So the whole of now come turn educators and I teach Jamaica people because them so dunce that anything I want to tell them pan phone and pan blog, them a go with it. Vybez Kartel, you know, youth. Me I tell you, you know, youth. Me I tell you, you know, youth, stop be the biggest contributor to the negatives in our country, you know, youth. Stop it, you know, youth, because God never rise you up to come do this to Jamaica people, you know. And the only reason why we I say you deserve to come a road when me look and see your family and see your mother and see how everyone really and truly love you as a family member and really want you. And I saw you want to come show. I saw you want to come do it, youth. I saw you want to come show back that they love to eat.